Okay. I hope you have tried it at home, that problem which was given, right? And if you could have solved it extremely well, but for all students who tried or could not do it, for the benefit of those students, let us also do this in this class, right? So, let us see what has been given and what we have to find out, right? So, for that we read that problem, that two non-Newtonian liquid fluids such as 50% concentrated milk. So, milk we have been given 50% concentrated and having a density of rho is equals to 1030 kg per meter cube, right? And applesauce having a density of 1100 kg per meter cube, right? So, let us write rho milk and rho apple, right? Then are being pumped through a pipe having a diameter 10 millimeter. So, diameter of the pipe is 10 millimeter is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, right. So, D is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, right. And the length of the pipe is L equals to 10 meter. Consistency and flow behavior indices for applesauce are, that is consistency coefficient is 0.5 Pascal second to the power n, and flow behavior index n is equals to 0.7, right. And for milk, this K say apple, N apple, a K milk is equals to 30 Pascal second to the power n, and flow behavior indices Nm is 0.6. Reynolds number for the two cases are, Reynolds numbers are 500 and 5000 for both the liquids. So, NRE equals to 500 and 5000 for both the liquids. Calculate the average velocity. So, what we have to find out is V average is how much and the pressure drop delta P is how much, right. So, if we again read out two non-Newtonian fluids such as 50% concentrated milk, that is one non-Newtonian fluid having density of 1030 kg per meter cube, and applesauce having density of 1100 kg per meter cube, are being pumped through a pipe having a diameter of 10 millimeter and length of 10 meter. Consistency and flow behavior indices for applesauce are assumed to be 0.5 Pascal second to the power n and 0.7, and those of concentrated milk are 30 Pascal second to the power n and 0.6 respectively. If the Reynolds numbers are 500 and 5000 for both the liquids, calculate the average velocities and pressure drops. So, this we have to find out. right. Now, if we do this, we have already jotted down that what has been given and what we have to find out, right. And for first, let us try for concentrated milk. For concentrated milk, the generalized coefficient of viscosity generalized coefficient of viscosity gamma, this is k to the power k prime 8 to the power n prime minus 1, right. So, this is from the definition. Now, if we substitute k prime n prime with k and n, then we can write gamma is equals to k into 3n plus 1 by 4n to the power n, and this is 8 to the power 1 minus n, right, because this n prime minus 1, this can also be written as k prime divided by 8 to the power 1 minus n prime, right. So, that is what exactly we have written here. So, we have k prime and k relation and n prime and n relation, these two we have utilized, which we had given you earlier, right. So, it is in terms of k 3n plus 1 by 4, k into 3n plus 1 by 4 to the power n, 8 to the power 1 minus n. Now, given k for milk, concentrated milk, it is k is equals to 30, right, into 3n, n is given as 0.6. So, 3 into 0.6 plus 1, right, divided by 4n, 4 into 0.6, right, this to the power n, that is 0.6 divided by 8 to the power 1 minus n, 8 1 minus 0.6, right. So, now let us see how much it comes. So, it is 30 or 3 into 0.6 equal to so much plus 1 is equal to so much divided by 4 divided by 0.6 is equal to so much to the power 0.6 is equal to so much into 30 is equal to so much divided by 8 to the power 1 minus 0.6 so much is equal to so much 14.32 right. This is for gamma, right. Now, energy general, this is given energy general, this is given as 500. So, it is 14.32 14.32 Pascal second to the power n, right. So, if energy general is given for 500, then we can write the average velocity V average, right. This is equals to energy general, right, into gamma divided by d to the power n rho this to the power 1 by 2 minus n, right. So, for that energy general is 500 into this gamma has been found out to be 14.32, right. D has been found out to be 10 millimeter, that is 10 into 10 to the minus 3 whole to the power n. N is given as 0.6 and rho given is 1030, right. So, this whole to the power 1 by 2 minus 0.6, right. So, let us also find out how much it is, right. So, 500 into 14.32 right is equal to so much divided by 10 into 10 to the minus 3, that is 1 into 10 to the minus 2, that is 10 to the power minus 2 minus 2, that is here plus minus 2 whole to the power 0.6 divided by 1030 so x to the power 1 by 2 minus 0.8 1 divided by 2 minus 0.6 not 8 0.6 so 1.4 this much, so should be this much 28.749 or 75 so much meter per second, right. So, V average for concentrated milk is 28.75, right. So, that is true. Now, let us also find out the same. For this we have to also find out not only this delta P, right. So, delta P we can write 32 gamma L by D V average by D to the power n, right, is equals to 32 into gamma we have found out 14.32 into L by D, right. L is 10 meter, so into 10 divided by D is 10 millimeter, so 1 into 10 to the minus 2, right, into V average. V average we have just found out to be 28.75 over D is 1 10 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 0.6 n, right. So, this comes equal to, let us look into that. The 28.75 divided by 10 to the minus 2 whole to the power 0.6 into, this is 10 by 10 to the minus 2, so into 10 to the minus 3 and into 10 to the 3, right, into 10 to the power 3 into 14.32 into 32 is equal to 5 4 5 4 4 8 5 4 4 8 4 8 4 3, right. So, this is equals to 1 2 3 4 5, right. So, equals to 554.84 kilo Pascal. Now, this is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, so 554 so much Pascal. So, it is 554 and okay divided by bar. So, this we can write 554.84 bar, right, because 1 bar is 101.325 Pascal. So, that is roughly this 554.84 bar, or is equals to 5 4 4 1 2 3 1 2 3. So, 54484 kilo Pascal, right. So, if we convert it into bar, then it is around 554.84 bar, right. Now, this is for milk. We also have to do the same thing for the apple sauce. So, for apple sauce, the same thing we have to do for 500 and 5000. So, for NRE general is equals to 5000. So, V average is equals to NRE general gamma by d to the power n rho to the power 1 by 2 minus n. So this is equals to 5000 into 14.32 divided by 10 or 1 into 10 to the minus 2 to the power 0.6 into 1030. This becomes equals to 5000 into 14.32 divided by 1 into 10 to the minus 2 to the power minus 0.6. So divided by 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 to the power 0.6 to the power 0.6 is equal to so much divided by 1030 is equal to 1101.73, right? So much meter per second, right? 1101.3. Oh, we have not done another thing. 11.01, this to the power 1 by 2 minus n, that is we have to do 1 by 2 minus n, that is 1 by 2 minus 0.6, right? So if we do this to the power x to the power y to the power 1 divided by 2 minus 0.6, right? So this is done, this is done, so this is equals to 148.9. So this is 148.9 meter per second. Okay, so delta P, then that comes equals to, right, delta P, that then comes equals to 32 gamma L by D V average by D to the power n. So that is equals to 32 gamma we found out to be into 14.32, right, into L was 10, right, and D was 1 into 10 to the minus 2 or 10 millimeter, into V average is 148.9 by D is 1 10 to the minus 2 to the power n, right, n is 0.6, right. So if we do this in the calculator, this becomes 148.9 divided by 10 to the power minus 2, right, whole to the power 0.6, right, into, this is minus 2 and this is 1 minus 3 plus 3. So into 10 x to the power 3 into 14.32 0.32 is equal to into 32, right? 14160,432 is equals to 14160,430. So much Pascal is equals to 1416.0.43 kilopascal is equals to 1461. So this is so much 14661 or 2, say rounded off 1462 bar, right? So this is what is the delta P. Now we need to also find out, this is for milk. So for apple sauce we can write, that gamma is equals to K into 3n plus 1 by 4n to the power n is equals to, for apple sauce we had, if you remember, we had rho is 1100, T is remains same, n remains same, K is 0.5, n is 0.7, right? So K is 0.5 into 3 into 0.7 plus 1 by 4 into 0.7 to the power 0.7, this much equals to, we write 3 into 0.7, 3 into 0.7 is equal to so much plus 1, equals to this divided by 4 into 0.7, 4 into 0.7, right, is equal to this whole to the power 0.7, whole to the power 0.7 is equal to 1.07. So earlier it was 14 point, now it is 1.073, because earlier value of K was 30, now the value of K is 0.5. So if gamma is so much, so for given V general energy general equals to 500, so V average is equals to, we can write that 500 into 1.073 divided by 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 0.6. So here it is 0.7 into 1100, right, to 1100 whole to the power 1 by 2 minus 0.7. So if we do it on the calculator, it becomes 500 into 1.073, 1.073, right, so much divided by 1100 is equals to so much, I hope we have done rightly, divided by 10 to the power divided by 10 to the power minus 2 to the power 0.7 equal to this whole to the power 1 by 2 minus 0.7 43. So, 43.46 meter per second is the average velocity, which was 28.75 for that. So, gamma value is less, their gamma value was more. So, there, that is why viscosity was less there and viscosity is velocity is less there and velocity is more there, right. This is for gamma, and earlier gamma value was 28.75. So, viscosity was viscosity was 28.75, gamma was 14.32, right. So, for 500 this we have done. Now, delta P is equals to 32 into gamma. Gamma is found out to be 1.073, right, into L by D is 10 by 1 into 10 to the minus 2 into V average, that is 43.46 divided by D, that is 1 into 10 to the minus 2 whole to the power 0.7, right. So, this is equals to, let us do quickly, this time is very short. So, 43.46 divided by 10 to the minus 2 43.46 divided by 10 x to the power 2 minus equal to this much to the power 0.7 is this much into this 10 and this, so 1000, right, into 1.073 and we additionally did 10, so into 32 is equals to 12089,615.9 or 16, we can round it off. So much Pascal is 12089.616 kilopascal is equal to 120.89 bar. So, one we have done for 500 both velocity and delta P. So, you please find out the velocity and delta P for 5000 NRE general. Okay, your time is out. Thank you.